Yesterday belongs to the past, and the past belongs to the dead. But you are alive, brother. You are alive, sister. Behold, life is the best gift in life. Life is real. Life is honest. Dust thou art, to dust returnest. Live, learn, grow, forgive and forget about the past. It has been, it is gone and unchangeable. The past stays behind, and that is where it is supposed to stay. But some cannot let it go, until all their focus is yet again consumed by the horror of the past. Oh, if only you could see that you cannot change what happened. No matter how many times you try, no matter how many times you cry, no matter how many bottles of wine, you cannot change what happened. It happened, it is gone and unchangeable. So you have to let the past be the past for a reason. What happened in your lifetime happened for a reason unknown. So you have to let the cards unfold and let your story be shown. Remember the Negro's past. The past of rope, fire, torture, death and humiliation over the Atlantic Ocean. Fear by day and night, fear as deep as the marrow of the bone. This past, this endless struggle to achieve and reveal a sense of human identity. Yet for all its horrors, it contains something beautiful. People who cannot suffer can never grow up, can never discover who they are. Be happy with what you have been given, for life is the best gift in life.